Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Saraswati Coaching Classes, and I am Mrs. Varsha Deshmukh here in front of you. If you have not yet subscribed our channel and hit the bell icon, please do it as soon as possible so that you will get the notification of all new videos. In previous session of our class 9th biology, we have talked about crop variety improvement. Now in this session also we are going to continue with that crop variety improvement for higher crop yield. The basic thing is that why we need to improve the crop variety, right? Why we need to improve the crop variety. In previous session I told you that cropping pattern is one of the way in which we can get the higher yield. But second thing is also important. Though you are following the different cropping pattern, but the seeds which you are using for sowing in different type of cropping pattern, that must be a good quality seed or a higher yielding seed. Higher yielding seed means what? Or improved quality seed means what exactly? Seed means I am not talking about only cereals and pulses. I am talking about all those seeds. फ्रूट वेजिटेबल्स के हो, पल्सेस के हो, सीरियल्स के हो, ऑयल सीड्स हो, एवरी टाइप ऑफ सीड. दैट मीन्स दे मस्ट बी गिव यू द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ yield in less period of time. Second important criteria of good quality seed is that seed must be naturally strong or should not be easily get susceptible to any disease. That is what called as a good quality seeds. But you know friends, these changes are taking place in a seed after many generations by the process called as mutation. What? Mutation. Okay, then only we will get the desired variety. But naturally, if we are waiting for this process that after few generations the seed will improve by its own, by getting adapted to the external climatic features and all, then it will take much more time, and we cannot wait for that, because in the beginning only I told you that nowadays the demand for everything has been increased so drastically that to supply food in that speed of demand is become quite difficult for the farmers. That's why everyone goes for the higher variety or improved variety of seed. Abhi, what is the need to go for such improved variety of seed? That we will see one by one. I have enlisted on the board, you can see here. First is higher yield. As just now I explained you, in same land area or in same piece of land, if your traditional variety is giving X number of quintal, or for example 100 quintal of the grain for that particular piece of land, then improved variety must give you at least 150 or 200 quintal of the grains at that place, at the same climatic condition, at the same rate of water availability, and at the same rate of everything which has been provided for earlier seed also. Why? Because the cereals, pulses and fodder, these three are main crops which farmers are growing in their field for the economic purpose. Economic purpose, by fulfilling their own basic needs, whatever rest of yield is there, that they are selling to the market to get the encashment of that. So to get higher yield, we need to improve the crop variety. Second one is improved quality. अभी इफ यू आर सिटिंग विथ योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स और आप उनसे कभी बातें कर रहे होंगे, तो वो बोलते बोलते ऐसा बोल देते हैं, हाँ अब के जमाने के धान्य में क्या रखा है, अब के जो ग्रेन्स है उनमें क्या रखा है, तो आप हाइब्रिड खाते हो इसलिए आपको कुछ न्यूट्रिशन मिलता ही नहीं है, हम तो देसी खाते थे, हमें तो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से न्यूट्रिशन मिलता था. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. इम्प्रूव्ड वैरायटी, इम्प्रूव्ड क्वालिटी मीन्स इन व्हाट सेंस? That grain, for example, we can take any cereal. चलो हम wheat की बात करते हैं. The variety of wheat which was present before that must contain particular amount of carbohydrate, and the variety which we are using nowadays after many process, for example hybridization and all, that also contains same amount of carbohydrates. Okay, in case of pulses, their oil content, how much oil content is there in that. Okay, for example then leguminous plant, I said leguminous plant, sorry, pulses का प्रोटीन कंटेंट चेक किया जाता है, ऑयल सीड का ऑयल कंटेंट चेक किया जाता है. सो ये जो सारी चीजें हैं. देन अगर फॉडर क्रॉप हो तो उनका टिलरिंग कैसा है, उनके ब्रांचेस कैसे प्रोफ्यूज है या नहीं, ये सारी चीजें चेक की जाती है. किसमें? इम्प्रूव क्वालिटी में. Because every seed is grown by considering some aspect behind that. If the fodder crop is there, means of course its canopy should be much more. Tillering, उसकी जो branches है वो भी ज्यादा चाहिए. The next one is biotic and abiotic resistance. See, when we are cultivating any crop in the field, that time that may suffer from many attacks. Attacks like insects, mites, pests, bugs और wilting of many plants. Wilting means उनके जो root होते हैं वो rot हो जाते हैं फंगस की वजह से. So all these are biotic factors of the nature which harm the crop. And secondly, abiotic factors. Abiotic factor means what? Excess of sunlight, lack of sunlight, excess of water, for example flood, lack of water, for example drought. तो ये जो सारी बायोटिक एंड अबायोटिक इरेगुलरिटीज है या डिसिमिलरिटीज है जो एक क्रॉप वैरायटी को सिंस फ्रॉम सोइंग टू हार्वेस्टिंग के पीरियड के लिए कांस्टेंट होनी चाहिए और वो नहीं रहती है, देन दैट क्रॉप गेट कंप्लीटली कोलैप्स. तो हमें ऐसी वैरायटी चाहिए विच कैन सर्वाइव, सस्टेन, ग्रो प्रॉपरली टिल मैच्योरिटी अंडर ऑल दीज सर्कमस्टेंसेस. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू इम्प्रूव द seed quality or propel. Then changes in the maturity duration. This one example I will give you. Biotic and abiotic resistance. This MUW 318. This is high ending crop variety. This is the wheat variety which has been discovered by Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, who is been referred as the father of green revolution. I told you in the beginning. He has discovered this variety which can survive under these drastic climatic conditions, as well as it can be remain unaffected when there is a attack of the biotic factors as well. Clear? Come back. Changes in maturity duration. Maturity duration for any crop is very important for the sake of its harvesting. No matter which type of crop is that, it may be a flower plant, it may be fruit plant, it may be any cereal crop, oilseed crop, any. But उस particular crop का harvesting तभी होता है when it reaches to the maturity of what? Maturity of flowers or maturity of fruits or maturity of grains. ठीक है? So what happen if the maturity period is larger for any crop? That time we cannot take 2 or more than 2 crops in a year, which I have told you yesterday or in our previous session in crop rotation. If you want to rotate the crops, चाहे वो 1 year rotation हो, 2 year rotation हो, 3 year rotation हो, किसी भी क्रॉप रोटेशन के लिए अगर आपको एक से ज्यादा क्रॉप लेने हैं तो बड़ा ऑब्वियस आपको उस एक क्रॉप की मैच्योरेशन पीरियड को रिड्यूस करना है. You have to reduce, and if that crop variety or species is having less maturity period, for example 3 months to 3.5 months, that time we can harvest that crop earlier and we can go for more and more crop in a year. That also contribute in the good return to the farmer in terms of economy, as well as it also carries you to the good yield, so that the variety which we have sown in the field in that condition, that will give you maximum benefit along with the yield. The next one is photo and thermo insensitivity. Photo and thermo. Photo means light, thermo means temperature. You may have seen that in case of summer season, in summer season most of the plants gets dry, and many of the plants, you can say grasses, they are also plant, they are getting completely dry and ultimately dies. Why? Because they are थर्मो एंड फोटो इनसेंसिटिव, मतलब उनको ज्यादा टेम्परेचर और ज्यादा लाइट सहन नहीं होता है. फोटो पीरियड एंड थर्मो पीरियड, आई टोल्ड यू, फोटो पीरियड मीन्स द ड्यूरेशन एट विच लाइट इज अवेलेबल, लाइट सनलाइट, एंड थर्मो मीन्स टेम्परेचर. सनलाइट विंटर में भी होती है, सनलाइट समर में भी होती है, बट द सनलाइट we feel pleasant in the winter, but that we feel very harsh and unbearable in case of summer. So like that, some crops are there which are not able to survive in the high temperature or high light period. On the contrary, some crops are also there which are not able to survive even very less temperature and very less photo period. So by finding out the mid of point of these two conditions, scientists have invented many species. For example, this is also one of the species of or variety of wheat, MACS 2469, which is highly insensitive to the insensitive to the thermo and photo period. Why? Because चाहे वो कितना भी सनलाइट हो उस टाइम में और टेम्परेचर कितना भी फ्लक्चुएट हो रहा हो, that variety can reach to the maturity so that we can harvest it and we can get the good yield of that. Come back, desirable agronomic traits. Desirable means what? जो हमें चाहिए वो. This is my desire. I want to become an astronaut. This is my desire. I want to become a doctor. This is my desire. I want to become that. आपकी wish compelling your desire. So whatever desiring features are there into that particular, that we have to incorporate into that. For example, if I have a fodder crop and in that fodder crop I want that crop must have profused branching, मतलब branching बहुत ज्यादा हो, and in that crop I also want much more tillering is there. So if tillering ज्यादा है, tillers ज्यादा है, profuse branching, so that is my desired trait. If it is oil giving seed, then what should I think? That type of seed should give me the more and more oil content, fat content. So that desirable characters can be incorporated into that and can be applied as a good variety. And come back to the last, wider adaptability. Adaptation means what? Adaptation means what? Change in structure due to change in function. It's very simple definition of adaptation and which we all are having every time. So the variety, you may have seen that some crops are cultivated in particular part of the world, country or in our state. जैसे संतरे नागपुर के ही फेमस है, ग्रेप्स नासिक के ही फेमस है, या फिर गेहूं पंजाब हरियाणा में ज्यादा कल्टीवेट किया जाता है. Why? Because that crop has adaptability for that. But for improvement of this seed, what changes have brought into that, the crop variety should be like that it can be able to survive in any geographical location, that can be able to survive in any climatic condition, so that that crop will get adapt itself to that climatic condition and should not undergo the failure. So this is what the wider adaptability. Now one of the varieties there, hybrid variety, that is ICPH8. It's a pigeon pea variety. This variety is so fluctuating in the sense we can say वो इतनी अच्छी variety है कि आप इसको कहीं पे भी sow करो, it gives you better yield. Clear? So this is all about the need for higher crop yield. ठीक है? In our previous session we have also discussed about cropping pattern. अगर आप डिफरेंट क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहे हो और अगर आपके पास ये सारी क्वालिटीज फुलफिल करने वाली सीड है, तो डेफिनेटली द यील्ड विल बी noticeable and definitely more than which you have taken by the traditional agricultural method. Okay, in our next session we will see that how these changes can be brought into the seeds. Till that time, think positive and keep smiling.